0, right? That's standard form. That's what we want to see when we're using the quadratic formula. Absolutely, right? That's what we want to use. Okay? So now, I'll give you a second to write that down. I'm going to ask you to do what we've been doing for the last couple of weeks prior to the AZ merit test. So I'm going to ask you to plug in and we're going to talk about solving this. And we're going to get a big picture of how this works with our graphic. Okay? So anybody with pencils down, that lets me know that you're done writing it down. Let me know I can keep going. Okay? All right, Malika, your first duty. Give me somebody. Austin. There we're going. Okay, so Austin, first thing I want you to do is what when we have the quadratic formula?
You have to find your A, B, and C.
Thank you. Identifying your A, B, and C. So I'm going to put A, B, and C, right? We got to figure out what those things are, right? So I'm going to take one more step from you, Austin. Can you demonstrate or tell me what the A, B, and C is in that equation?
So the A is 1.
A, let's say this is A, okay?
9 is B.
Okay, so this is B, so we said it's 9, okay?
And then for C is 20.
Huh?
For C is 20.
20, thank you. Malik, I need somebody else. Angie, okay? We have our A, we have our B, we have our C. All I'm asking you to do is, if you have oranges, and I have a section in the kitchen to put the oranges where the oranges go. If I have where the lemons, put the lemons where the lemons go. Okay? Don't put the lemons in the oranges. Don't put the oranges in the lemon. Put them where they need to be. Okay? So we have A, B, and C. Okay? Here in our equation, we have B's, we have A's, we have C's. I'm just asking you to plug it in. That's all I'm asking you to do. Nothing more than that. Remember, this is your A, B's, and C's. We're just putting them where they need to be. They're placeholders. Okay? So for this first part, you got negative. You have a negative parentheses, right? What's in that parentheses? So what is B?
9.
Hey, dang, I didn't know she had such a deep voice.
Oh.
Thank you. Please let her go ahead and say this. No, it's just a regular 9. Okay, scoot up closer if you can't see, okay?
9.
All right, so that's a 9, okay? Then we'll do our plus and minus. Okay, we'll do a square root. Boom, hit there. Okay? Then we have our negative again. With the parentheses, with the square root. What's inside that parentheses? Thank you, Angie. So what does B represent? Thank you. We have a 9 there, correct? Okay, 9 is there. Okay? Then we have a minus 4, right? What goes inside that parentheses? A. Okay, he said an A. So what's gonna go inside of here? Where's our A represent? Angie, I'm with you still. You're finishing this whole problem for me, girl. Okay, close your laptop down. Close your laptop down. Thank you. What does A represent?
1.
Thank you. So they say A is in this parenthesis. So what should go into this parenthesis? Thank you, a 1. Okay? There's another parenthesis, right? Which in our formula is a C. What does the C represent? That is a 20. Excuse my penmanship. I know I got second grade penmanship, but you gotta deal with me. Alright? So we got that there. We got the divide sign. We got here, and we got some more parentheses right there. What goes inside there? A what? A 20. What's down here in this parentheses? There we go. That's an A. Thank you. So what does A represent?
1.
Thank you. A 1. Malika, give me somebody else, please. Who? Rodrigo. Let's go. Okay. So remember what I told you prior. We want to blank all this out. We're not worried about this. I want you just to get this part, right? We're not even going to have, so I'm not worried about this right now. So I'm going to rewrite it for you. Right, we'll have it rewritten. Boom. We'll have negative 9. Right.
Second power.
Hold on, is my negative outside? My negative might be inside.
There's not supposed to be a negative there.
There's not supposed to be a negative there, huh? Thank you. Thank you. I knew there was something. There's something wrong with that. Thank you, Tommy. Okay, so there's no negative there. So I got a 9 squared, right? Minus 4, right? parentheses 1, parentheses 20, right? You guys have calculators now. So what I want you to do first, Rodrigo, is tell me what's 9 squared. We're gonna bring this here. What's 9 squared? 81. Thank you, sir. It's 81, because 9 times 9 is 81. Okay? Negative 4 times 1 is, right, negative 4 times 20 is, thank you, minus 80. There we go, we're there, right? We're going to go ahead to the next part here, okay? 80 is 1, right? Square root of 1 is it's a perfect square. Is that a perfect square, or is that that's its own thing, right? So it's going to be 1, right? So it's going to, so square root of 1, which equals just 1, right? So we got that. Everybody write that down. That needs to be written down. I know I went kind of fast on that, but I want you to write that down. Sorry, I got a little ahead of myself, got excited. So I'll give you a chance to write it down. Where's the RDU? Let me see the assignment. History, right?
Yeah.
And make sure this is written down. This is going to be your guide to success. Okay? Tommy, you got it written down. Okay, well, I don't want you to be proactive. You're a smart, intelligent man. I can tell by the glasses. And you figure out. There we go. See how he just did that? That's awesome. Good job. All right, we start figuring out, start the problem solving. What's going on?
You're so fuzzy.
Somebody else have a pencil for my man, Rodrigo, handsome man, looking for single pencils. Sizes between. Nobody else have pencils?
Coach, I need one too.
Single.
Here you go, here's your pen. Thank you. Got it.
Sure.
So write that down. Isabel's not here today right now. All righty. Pencils are down. When you are done writing, we're ready to continue. All right? Remember, I'm going to listen to your head to you.
Coulter.
Pick up the quadratic formula. Okay? Eventually, here's the eventual part about it. You will get to a point where you'll be able to do this very quickly, right? You keep practicing at something, something's going to become you're going to become comfortable, it's going to become easier to you, it's going to become faster. So, trust the process. Trust the process. Okay? Waiting for a couple other individuals who just got their pencils. Okay?
So, what am I supposed to write down?
Everything you see up there? That's what we're going over. It's going to be your guide, because when you come to doing the problem on your own, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. I'm going to refer to what you have written down. If you have nothing written down, then that lets me know that you're not ready to learn today. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Hey, my expectations today, we'll do one problem, maybe two, and I'm going to have you do one problem. That's not too much. That's not asking that much. But what I am asking is your full participation and attention. Okay? All right, we're going to keep moving just for the sake of time, squads, okay? All right, so now we know we have one. Now we have to bring everything. Remember I said, forget about this part for right now. We'll solve. We did our solving up here. Now we have to get all the way back over here and write everything back like it was. So not negative 9 plus or minus, right? What goes over here? Thank you. 1, and then what goes underneath that? 2. So it's 2, right? We don't have to worry about parentheses because it was 1, right? Okay. Now, this tells us, okay, 1 over 2. Yeah, the bottom is the 2. Remember I told you we're bringing this back. Bringing them back, right? All right. So now we have to do what? We have to create, right? What do we have to create? Go ahead and give me somebody, Malika. So, what do we have to create? And I'm gonna give you a hint. You have a plus and minus, so that means we have to have what?
I didn't there have to be two ways to.
Two equations. I'm gonna help you out. Two equations, correct? Okay. So my first equations can be. I'm just gonna say we're gonna go ahead and take the first thing as positive, right? So it's gonna be
Negative 9.
-9, right?
Plus 1
Plus 1
over
2, right? That's your first one. What's our second equation gonna look like?
Negative 9
Uh-huh.
minus 1 over 2.
Good. Okay? Here, go ahead and that's why I let you have those calculators, right? Solve that for me. I'm gonna give you a hint. It is in a decimal form, so I do need a decimal, okay? It will be a decimal form.
Bro, my arm is hurting. So that should get that. Oof.
Now, when pencils are down, that lets me know you're done. I'm going to ask somebody for each individual to have an answer, right? Actually, you know what? This one's not a decimal. I'm thinking of a different column. This is new.
No, this is decimal.
Y'all can correct me. It's okay. It's like Coach Cole. It's not a decimal. That's fine. I'm secure with myself.
Wait, hold on. I got a decimal. Wait, hold on. I don't think I did the math right. That's why I got a decimal. Hold up. I think I'm like blanking out here. Oh no, it's not a decimal. Oops, my bad.
He's a rookie to me. The best safety record. You know safety?
All right, so somebody, give me somebody, Malika. Who got my first answer up here? Tommy. It's the best guy out there, right?
Yeah.
That's your first answer.
Wait, I didn't even sort you.
-9 plus
It's
8. 2 can go into 8 how many times? Well, so, and it's a negative, right?
-4.
Thank you. See, did you need that calculator that you were about to grab? I can write today.
Wait, how did you get to 4?
-9 plus 1 gives us what? -8. Divide that by 2 gives you what?
-4.
Thank you. -4.
Negative.
Okay. All right. Give me somebody else, Malika. Sorry about that. Nicholas.
-5.
Okay. -9 times minus 1 is what? -9 and -1 gives us what? Huh? -9 is, you owe me $9. You owe me another $1. How much do you owe me? Huh? 10, right? And when you owe me money, it's not a positive, it's a negative thing, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you divide by 2 gives us what? Thank you. And what kind of 5? Thank you. These are now our what? Those are our x's, right? Those are our x what?
Values.
Not x values.
Oh,
X-intercepts, right? Those are your x-intercepts. Intercepts is where it hits that line, right? Okay, write this down.
Did you got the 81 out of 9 times 2, right?
Not 9 times 2, 9 times 9. 9 squared is 9 times 9.
And then you got it by 4 times 20, right?
Yeah, 4 times 7. Yep, that's how you got the 81. You got the 1.
Dude, it's been an
Okay, write this down. Write that part down, because I'm going to erase it in a second. Okay? Now keep on writing that down. Look, I need somebody else. Who? Joseph. What's the vertex formula?
Negative b divided by 2.
Thank you. And that gives us x vertex, right? So I'm just gonna put x vert, right? So we're gonna figure this out, and then I'm also gonna need the y vert, right? Which is vertex, right? I'm gonna need that too, okay? We'll figure that out in a second, okay? So go ahead and write this down.
Yeah, it stands for vertex.
So I like to abbreviate things. I think I'm not a great speller, so abbreviate and do that. So that's how I protect myself. Okay? So, give me somebody, Malika. Megan. Plug what you know. Plug it in. Remember, this is going to be a negative and it's going to be parentheses, right? What's going in there? You got to speak up. I can't hear. I got a big fan.
Okay.
What is this?
B.
Okay. What do we know what B is?
9.
Thank you. So what goes in here?
9.
Thank you. There we go. Okay. So there's a 9 there. Then we got a 2. Got parentheses. What's inside here?
A.
What is A represent?
1.
Thank you. So now we have that, right? This is the one I was saying that's going to be decimal. Okay? I was getting ahead of myself. So obviously we have negative 9 over 2 gives us what? Calculate.
4.5.
Negative 4.5.
Isabel Lopez is not here.
She's not here. Okay? Alright. So go ahead and write this down. Now I'm going to erase some things over here. Is this written down? Hopefully everybody got this written out. Alright? Malik, I need somebody. Okay, culture, go ahead. Culture. Okay, we know this is the X word, right? This is X word. This goes together, right? That goes together. This is the X word, right? X word. We know what X is now. How do we find the Y vertex? What do we got to do? I'm going to give you a key. We know what X is, right? What's our original equation? What's our original equation? This up here, right? Yeah, this is the formula over here. What is this? That's the equation, correct? What do we know again? We know X, right? Is there X's in here?
Yeah.
So what should I do then?
With X.
Replace them with. Thank you. So go ahead and set it up for me.
Negative 45 squared.
Is it 4.5, not 45?
Oh, I hate it.
Okay, 4.5 squared
Yeah.
plus,
9. 4.5.
thank you, plus 20. Okay, get calculators out. Okay, get calculators out.
Okay.
Get the calculators out. I need to know what negative 4.5 squared is. And Malik will be calling on somebody. Should be seeing calculators dialing up. Dialing up. Come on, Tommy. Stay with me, kid.
Oh, yes.
Nobody call it out. Because I'm going to have Malik give somebody to call it out for me. Kobe, what's negative 4.5 squared?
Corey. Kobe.
Go ahead, do it. You got it. You got to do your thing. Do what you're gonna do. You had it. Do it. I got time. Ali, you want the next one? Next part?
9 times 2.5.
No, I'll give you. Yep, I'll give you that one in a second. In a second. Yep. What is it? 20 point what? 0.25. Okay. You say you're gonna give me the 9 times 4.5. What does that give me?
40.5.
What is it?
40.5.